Hi guys, we're going to talk about the Contractor Special today. When you get the Contractor Special, we sell it in a package form, so it comes with the things that you're going to need. And I'm going to basically do an unboxing of it and show you just a few features about it today, and also show you what's included in the package. And show you how to take it out, also how to receive it. So when you do get this package, you're going to get a whole bunch of things ready to clean carpet and furniture. So you got the carpet wand, and you got the upholstery tool, you got the chemicals with it, and the training. So you're basically ready to go either start a business or expand your business. All the details are kind of worked out. This is a really well-engineered machine. It works on one cord. It has 120 psi, good vacuum, good heater, and it's easy to use. I highly recommend it. So when you do get it, like say if you're getting it shipped to you, make sure that this damaged stuff is reported to the shipper, because the shipper is responsible. It's fully insured when it's sent to you from us. So if it does have any kind of damage, then you can claim it. But of course, open it up to see if it does, and then just sign for it like that. In this case, it's fine. You know, there's, I don't know, maybe something hit it, but nothing happened inside. So I checked it out already. And anyway, so I'm going to show you the unboxing. So the hose is included, and it's the vacuum and the solution hose. You just basically hook it up in front of the machine, and you're ready to go, and you can attach your carpet cleaning wand or your upholstery tool. It has some connectors here that you may need, and some of these heat shields for your cuties. This has the manual. You can download it online, save it on your phone. And let's see what's in the box. The best way to take this out is just lay it on the side where the wheels are and just pull it out. Here it is. So here's the Contractor Special. It looks like it did get dinged up here, so we have to claim that. Anyway, so here's where the fresh water goes in. This is the dirty water. This is where you drain the dirty water. And here's the switches. This is your vacuum. This is your solution. And this is your heat. This is where you hook up the vacuum hose. So this vacuum part. And then the solution one goes on this side, and then the other side of that goes on the wand. And your package comes with the wand. It's a really nice 2-jet, all stainless steel wand from Mytee. And this is the one that you would attach to this for carpet cleaning. And when you're cleaning furniture, you would use the upholstery tool, which is also a really nice one. Clear head, good stuff. Also, some other things you get with this package are your cleaning agents. So you have your trashed green gel, which makes 64 gallons ready to use. You only need ½ ounce to make a gallon. It's gel, it's really concentrated. You can use it as a pre-spray. You can also use it as a detergent. So you can add it to the tank, the freshwater tank, or you can use it as a pre-spray, preferably a pre-spray. And then we have some other free spotters that come with it. This one is a gel-based spot remover. It removes your oil-based spots and stains. Since it's got 2 different ingredients mixed in it, sometimes you have to shake it up really well before you use it. This one right here is your protector. This is called Magic Spell. This, you don't add water to it, and it covers 800 square feet of carpet, or it covers like 5 couches or maybe 3 cars. So this is a good add-on for you to be able to sell your cleaning, and in addition the protection. So it'd be like Scotch Guard or something. You know how people say you can put protector on there. That's what that is. That's pretty much it on that. This is a really solid machine. Again, that one cord, makes it kind of convenient for you to use because you can find a circuit easily. But because of that one cord, it's limited to what you can do. But starting out, adding an extra machine, or if you need to take it up on a high rise, this is great because the complete package, basically. It is going to be a little slower than some of the other machines, but it does have some other advantages. The PSI being a little low at 120, but it's engineered to work correctly with that. So it does an amazing job. Anyway, thank you.